Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Fenix 7 Sapphire Solar, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now let's continue with the reset. And first thing we need to do is to open the menu. And to open the menu, press and hold the up/menu button. Once the menu opens, you can scroll through the menu and keep scrolling until you see the system option. Once you find the system option, you can tap on it to enter. Now scroll down and find the option called reset. Once you find the reset option, tap on it to select it. And here, scroll down and select the option called delete data and reset settings. Then press the start button to confirm and start the resetting process. Be aware though that if you factory reset your watch, you will lose all of your data and settings from your watch, including the activities, music and stuff like that. So let's confirm. Oh, now we need to also select yes to confirm. And now we need to wait until the resetting process is complete. And once you see this on the screen, the basically welcome message, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.